In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to turn off the professional account on Instagram. Maybe you no longer need the features that come with a professional account, or you just want to switch back to a personal account. Either way, it's easy to do. To get started, open up the Instagram app, and then tap on the profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen. Tap Settings and Privacy. Once you are on this page, tap where it says Creator Tools and Controls. And then tap where it says Switch Account Type. To turn off the professional account on Instagram, tap where it says Switch to Personal Account. And then tap Switch to Personal Account one more time to confirm your action. Now you've successfully turned off the professional account on Instagram, whether it's a business or creator account. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.